Exarchia.
Hello you guys, and welcome to another vlog or another video. So in today's video, I'm finally gonna share with you guys my apartment tour. It's my key. So yeah, let's start. I have two keys. The one is for the door, like main door. So this is like the staircase to my flat. Yeah, and this is the place where I always take cute photos. This is mom's birthday. Like black long sleeves, gray trousers, Converse, Converse, and my sacco bag. So yeah, let's start. So get upstairs. The marble stairs. I think this building has like 3 floors. But yeah, this is my door. This is my apartment. First room on the first floor. So let's enter. Okay. Open. Welcome to the Batcave. Okay, it's not like that nice. I mean, actually it's nice. But yeah, it's not impressive compared to like that room there. So let's go. So let's close the door first, turn off the lights, conserve energy, and then we lock this baby up. It has 2 locks, that is why it's very, 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 very safe. I think for the first 2 nights, sobrang paranoid ko. Akala ko matataken ako. Like, honestly, but not so bad. It's quite safe. Tatlong lock siya in total. Like, the main door, and this 2 here. All good. Okay, I'm back. Let's continue with the tour. Should we do the bed first or the kitchen and the bathroom first? I think we should do the kitchen and the bathroom first para manood kayo until the end. So let's go here to the right, to my right and to your left. Okay, so on the way to the right is the kitchen and the comfort room right here. Off to the kitchen we go. So when you open the marvelous kitchen, a stove, I'm a stove, blah blah blah, and there's a cool TV where you wash your plates. It's really, really nice, like view, and yeah, stove, blah blah blah. Storage stuff and my groceries. I bought this, but I haven't eaten it, so yeah, it's good for 7 days, and it's 1.50 euros only, which is I think 1 times 59, I don't know, less than 100. So yeah, cool. So this is my teapot for my tea in the morning, and utensils. More utensils, and like this is my teacup and my saucer. So yeah, it's boring. It's boring, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys bathtub, shower, my shampoo and stuff, my stuff. So yeah, it's normal like bathroom, simple normal bathroom. Yeah, nothing really like interesting or impressive to see there. So let's turn that off. Oops. And let's proceed to the bedroom. Also, I think that's what everyone is waiting for. So let's go. Turn the lights off here. Conserve energy. Oh, I didn't show you guys my refrigerator and what's inside. Let's go. Okay, so this is my ref. And what's inside is, of course, water. My water. Oh, I have an apple, bottle of wine that I bought yesterday, pack of strawberries, and beer, of course. And, of course, milk. So I got milk. This is Greek milk. Eboa. So, yeah. About me, I really like milk and strawberries. I like strawberries and milk and Nutella. So, yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna cook breakfast for Mom soon when she arrives. Para naman matuwa siya. Maisip niya na, oh, my daughter is not a spoiled brat. So, and here's like the study area. That's my trash, which I'm gonna throw in a bit. Laundry stuff over here. And a table. In this corner, stuff that the like real owner owns. So yeah, I'm just renting this flat, so that's his stuff. And now, oh, it's not focusing. Okay, and now the moment that you have all been waiting for. Let's go into the room. The magic happens. I'm just kidding. So this is the room. There's the room. So go up, and I'm very happy. Sobrang saya ko to share this with you guys today because I just finished cleaning it. So let's turn the lights on. Wow. So let's show you guys the room. Okay, so where do we start? Let's start here. What up? So this is my favorite mirror. It's a like long body mirror. You know, very like vintage looking, but I think the owner got this from IKEA. But yeah, so cool. And this is my side table. This is the only makeup that I've been using for this whole week. Yeah, I've been here in Europe for a week, and this is all the makeup that I have been using. Like sobrang onte lang, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna share it with you guys. Arma's Beauty Pots, concealer, bronzer, blush, lip tint, and highlighter. So my 5 holy grail products. Anastasia for my eyebrows, of course, is, you know, like, look at that, ugly. And then the book that I'm reading currently, it's Paul Coelho. I don't know how to pronounce it. Paulo Coelho. I don't know. Please correct me if I pronounced that wrong or if I didn't pronounce that right. But I really like this book. Like, I read this on the plane. I'm almost done. So yeah, I like the story. You guys should read it. I do not know bakit ngayon ko lang naisip basahin to. It is very famous, but I just decided to read it now. But it's good. So yeah. And then we have here the money for the donations, and I forgot to like take it out. Buti na lang nag-room tour ako. Hindi, naiwan ko na siya for today. And I have to come back and get it. So, money for donations. And like, money for supplies. And all that stuff. Thank you guys so much again for donating. Like, I really want to thank each and every one of you. Like, 500 pesos, 100 pesos, 1,000, whatever the amount is. It doesn't really matter. It's really a big help to like everyone. So, yeah. I swear. Like, if you guys want, you can ask me and I will share with you guys how to do this, or like how I found the right organization for me. So if you guys want to do this, also just hit me up, message me, email me, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. I will help with you. I will help you guys. I will talk to you guys. So yeah. Okay, anyway, makeup, Sunny's, NYX, Glossier, Elf, and like Clinique mascara, and this Maybelline eyeliner that I really like because it's cheap and it's good. Actually, it does the work. So yeah, here we have my bed and my scissor, which is, you know, in case someone like smacks me. I'm just kidding. I cut something this morning kaya. So yeah, and then on the other, sit down. So clothes for donation, clothes that I'm gonna use the next few days, and clothes for Santorini, Mykonos. So yeah. Okay, next part of my room, which is like the cute part, that part, shoes. Okay, so okay, I realized ko ang dami kong dalang sapatos and like slippers. This is 100 pesos. This is expensive. This is, I think, 1.2. This is 70 pesos. This is 150 pesos. This is, I don't know, that's secondhand. This is expensive CDG, but nawala ang kanyang heart. So yeah, I use it for like bum shoes now. And my boots, I think there's 800 pesos. So yeah, excited to wear these. Okay, so in my room, there's a balcony. First, like, door or like entry to the balcony, and the second entry. We'll get there later. Okay, next, charging station, which is very, very, very messy. So 2 power banks, my cheap ass like wireless headphones, digital camera, battery, I'm charging it now, battery of my G7X, charger of my laptop, and some makeup stuff that, you know, it's just there. So this is, I got this from Lazada. Super greatest of all time, like extension wire. Like, see, it has like 6 USB shit. Really now USB shits, but yeah, it has 6 like USB holes and then 3 like plug thingies. So yeah, this plug is so cool because it has so many extension wires. Like may isa dito, may isa dun, may isa dyan, may isa pa dun. There. But yeah, the plug in Europe is like that. So you need like something like this to be able to plug your shit. And this I got from Lazada, I think 500 pesos. Yep, you know it, queen of cheap things. And I got here a banana from Ernest. And I haven't eaten it, but I'll eat it today. So we have plants and digital camera, like photo camera. My G7X I'm using now. Charger again for the, and this is like charger and shit. Okay, a plant, a real life plant, I think. Yeah, it's a real life plant. My aircon, in case you want to see that. This is like clothes I used yesterday. My coat, top, and jeans bottoms. And this is my trusted Stussy traveling bag. Super like this. It's big, it's cool, and I don't know, it's durable. Makeup bag. So a gray couch for making out with hot Greek men. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's just a normal couch. So yeah, and this side we have my skincare. Yeah, my skincare right here. If you wanna like see or find out what my updated skincare is, I'll put the link in my bio. I think that was my last upload. So if you guys wanna know how to maintain skin in a very cheap way, all of this is like less than 1,500 pesos. So nasa link ko. I mean, I will link it down below, and yeah, get your own skincare for 15 pesos and get good skin. Okay, next, a plant and my Motorola hat. Like, yeah. So yeah, skincare, blah blah blah, shades, suklay ko, and now for the cool part, the balcony. Wow. Oops, sorry. So, taran. Voila. So when you step out, like, there's a trash can. Like, literally, if I just want to like throw my trash in there, like, gawin kong parang basketball. Like, I think it's gonna work. I mean, I think it's gonna, like, I think I can do it. But yeah, let's not do that because we are good tourists. So, we are good people. It's golden, man. Like, you know, just look at it. That's freaking crazy. Room, balcony. Room, balcony. So, yeah. Balcony is so big. So, yeah. You can even walk, like, up to here. See? This is a balcony, and it's really big. So let's just sit for a while I say some nice things. Okay, so the price of this flat or this apartment is quite cheap. It is 3,000 pesos a night. So yeah, I mean, for that price, I think it's a really good deal. I think it's quite cheap actually. If you guys are coming to Greece, and if you guys want to stay here in my flat or my apartment, I will put the link in the description box as well. So yeah, and the owner is really nice. He's so nice. His name is Jula, and he's so nice. Like, I had so many questions, tapong tanong, and he was really accommodating, which is 10 out of 10. Good. Okay, so the neighborhood where I'm staying at, it is in Exarchia. It's Exarchia when you like talk in English. When you like pronounce it in English, it's Exarchia. But when you pronounce it in Greece, in Greek, it's Exarchia. Exarchia. So yeah, this is in Exarchia, and very walking distance to, like, all the places. This neighborhood, I picked this neighborhood because it's artsy. Like, usually the artsy people, they stay here, they go and eat here, they hang out here. So I thought that, you know, I want to stay here. So yeah, this is in Exarchia. So that is like the quick and short, brief tour of my flat here in Athens. So yeah, the weather is really good today. I don't feel cold kahit naka-long sleeve ako, so so yeah, so far I've been really loving life here. And yeah, watch out for more updates. Follow me on my Instagram for updates. Follow me on my Finsta for more, like, they call this updates na mas clear and like detailed. So, and one more thing that I like about this apartment is that it is just by Betus Hill. Like Betus is right there. So if you want to go up there for sunset, you can. Like, everything is near here. Like, Omonia Square is near here, Victoria Square is near here, Syntagma is near here, Monastiraki Square, it's near here. So yeah, you can basically just walk your way out. So yeah, I think it's quite clean today compared to like the other days. Also, I love these chairs, they're so cute. So yeah, that is my apartment. If you guys, so yeah, that is my apartment that I've been living at for 1 week now here in Athens, and I hope you guys like it. Bye. See ya. Okay, so I'm just waiting for my, like, not Uber actually, like for my beat taxi, which is like kind of like Uber here. Kasi wala na ring Uber dito, just like Philippines. But yeah, it's cheap. I think it's cheaper than Uber. Actually, there is Uber here, pero medyo mas mahal siya. Uber kasi car, diba? This one, like, it's a taxi. And it's cheap and it's cool. It's usually like 3 euros a trip, and 3 euros is like, let's convert. See, it's like 175 pesos. So literally, I don't know, not so cheap, but bearable. Like in Paris, I think the Uber was like 25 euros one ride. That's freaking crazy. Kahit malapit, 25 euros is 1.4. So yeah, 3 euros is not that bad. No, I like this app. Like, it's Beat Taxi. Also, most people here use Google. I mean, like, Android. Sad. Not sad, but ugh. And this is like my money bag. Like, yeah. So, also, I forgot to film this part. This is something that I also really like about this flat. Like, look at that. Like, so cute. Like, the details are so nice. So yeah, like here also, see, it's really nice. I just got home from the Kilo shop. I got 2 plastic bags, and this is for me. Like, I got a few clothes lang, and this is for my donations. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna fold that now, and then I'm gonna go to Victoria for the feeding. So good day. Kind of chill, but still like a good day. Peace out. I'll just have another busy day here in Athens volunteering, and I'll see you guys in my next video.